Here we go. So this is episode 29. Still picking up where we left off last episode. Well, now the rain has stopped, but we're getting closer and closer to corn harvest every single minute. I'm actually curious to see what yields we get from this. I'm just hoping it's at least decent. Decent yields. That's all I want is decent yields, and we'll do just fine. High yielding corn, oh boy, that'd be the best. Zone. We so we're just fast forwarding time right now. So we're skipping a lot of days. Get ready for corn harvest. So far, no change. Nothing. Zilch. Nothing. Nothing at all. Whoa. Hello. Corn harvest could be coming soon. Corn is getting there. This corn gets ready, we'll be able to get ready for the. We should be able to have it ready before by day's end. And then I also have an announcement to make. That I will be that I will be getting a semi soon. I don't know how soon I'm talking, but it'll be soon. So, yeah. I'll be getting another mod back. And, yeah. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I don't think we'd have to wait much longer. And I was right. You don't have to wait much longer. Ladies and gentlemen, harvest is going to be officially underway as soon as I can get to the combine. Good. So we're heading up the road. To the field 3. We should be getting ready to go for it. So yeah, we're just oh boy. Oh boy. I'm not gonna look. So here we go. Corn harvest is officially underway. And by the way, if you guys are wondering, I will not be dumping the corn in the bin, because I'm gonna sell it straight from the field. I wish I had a straight truck or something, but a tractor and wagon will do for now, so I can get one. So the semi truck, you guys may ask, what semi truck am I gonna get? Well, fancy you ask. I'm gonna get the TLX 9000 Phoenix from 82 that 82 Studios has. And let me tell you, 82 Studios, he is just the best. He's just awesome at making excellent mods every time. Oh, hold up. The heck is he doing? He missed some rows. Why on earth did you miss rows here, boy? I'll fix that. And away we go again. That was weird. So yeah, so I am going to be, I'm not going to be, but I cannot wait to get this corn harvest underway. I'm not usually good at picking corn, especially when I drive the combine myself. And I should do that this episode, is actually drive the combine and not have the hard worker do it. I've done it on Bucks County, but otherwise we're just gonna put it on hard worker. That's it. Because I'm not gonna be used to driving a combine on straight fields. When it's straight fields, it's always gonna do me always. Yeah. But man, I know what you guys are gonna be saying is that why don't I just use the TLX 9000 semi that 82 Studios has? Well, yeah, it's just not worth it. No. white shark like that's just, yeah, no. So, anyway, see you guys in the next one.